flow. The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 15:05 Elizabeth line, service to Maidenhead. For Maidenhead only, this train is full of 15:04 Elizabeth line, service to Paddington via Paddington. Slough, Langley, Ivor, West Drayton, Hayes and Harlington, south of Ivor, and Hayes and Harlington. Hayes and Harlington. Destroyed or damaged by the security services. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it. Whilst waiting for your train, please stand behind the aircraft. Thank you.
Please check the telephone sign for more information.
Yeah.